I walk this life on tired shoes, chasing dreams I couldn't hold. I lost some friends along the way, lost my name, lost what I was told. Every mirror felt like smoke, every promise fell apart. I was breathing but not living, just a shadow with a heart.
I hit the ground, I heard it crack. Thought I'd never rise again, but the dark has ways of teaching who you are and who you've been.
Ngilahlekelwe yikho konke, kancane kancane, kodwa ngamandla ngiwathole kuweni, emathuthwini omuntu engakhowe. Ngifunda manje uma ngiqine, angisafani kulungile kanjalo. Nginamandla engangingawazi, ngabuka ngaze ngaba yize, manje ngakha into eyiqiniso.
Trusted roads that led nowhere, gave my love till I ran dry, carried weight that wasn't mine, learned how much a soul can cry. There were nights I talked to God, and days I couldn't pray, but even silence has a voice when you're listening through the pain.
Stitch my heart with shaky hands, learn to breathe between the scars. Turns out falling doesn't end you, sometimes that's just where you start. Ngilahlekelwe yikho konke, kancane kancane, kodwa ngamandla ngiwathole kuweni, emathuthwini omuntu engakhowe. Ngifunda manje uma ngiqine, angisafani kulungile kanjalo. Nginamandla engangingawazi, ngabuka ngaze ngaba yize, manje ngakha into eyiqiniso. If you're walking through the fire, thinking you're too far gone, every breath means you're still here, and that means you're still strong.
I walked this life, I lost myself, lost people I still miss, but I found a man in the wreckage who won't live like this.
Ngithatha ubuhlungu, ngithatha iqiniso, zonke izibazi zingezami, ngabuka ngaze ngaba yize, manje ngakha engikufundile.